ਰਸਨਾ ਜਪਤੇ मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतिपालक मृत मंडल एक तू ही मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतिपालक मृत मंडल एक तू ही रसना 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 जपते 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 तू ही रसना जपते
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरभव निर्वैर अकाल मूर्त अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। Welcome to the Word of Sikhism program. I am Chatra Singh Saini. I have with me Bhai Gurdarshan Singh ji from Guru Gobind Singh Foundation of Rockville. We are translating the Gurbani of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Japji Sahib Ji. Bhai Sahib Ji is going to start where we left off last week. Bhai Sahib Ji.
Thank you everyone to be with us when we are discussing the very important Bani of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the words of Guru Nanak, which every Sikh is supposed to recite this every morning. That your day should start with the words of the Creator, those who guide you, inspire you, and that those words should reflect into your daily practice. It is not a mantra.
Yes.
It is a guidance. It is these words, make you think twice. And slowly when you are contemplating on these words, you see beyond. You rather live life much more efficiently, much more blissfully, much more gracefully than you would ever live. Because you are seeing life in totally at a different angle.
Different prospect.
And different prospects arises in you. So today we left in the middle of the 26th body, and I'm going to read this again so that we get familiar with the terminology and the words, so then we will translate it to you. Amul gun amul vapar अमुल वापारिये अमुल पंडार अमुल आवें अमुल ले जाहें अमुल पाए अमुला समाहें अमुल धर्म अमुल दीवान अमुल तुल अमुल परवान अमुल बख्शीश अमुल निशान अमुल कर्म अमुल फरमान अमुल मुल आख्या ना जाए आख आख रहे लिबलाय आखें वेद पाठ पुराण आखें पढ़े करहें वख्यान आखें बरमे आखें इंद आखें गोपी तय गोबिंद आखें ईश्वर आखें सिद्ध आखें केते कीते बुद्ध आखें दानव आखें देव आखें सुर नार मोन जान सेव केते आखें आखण पाहें केते कह कह उठ उठ जाहें एते कीते होर करें हैं ता आख न सकें के जेवड़ पावै तेवड़ होए नानक ਜਾਣੈ ਸਾਚਾ ਸੋਇ ਜੇ ਕੋ ਆਖੈ ਬੋਲ ਵਿਗਾੜ ਤਾਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਸਿਰ ਗਾਵਾਰਾਂ ਗਾਵਾਰ. So satsang, this is the very expression of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And when he is saying that God's virtues are priceless, what it means? Because we trade, and there is NASDAQ and Dow Jones and New York Stock Exchange, and we trade things with something.
Yeah.
And both sides there are some values. We trade with one value with the other value.
Right.
And we trade things with the currency, we trade things with gold, we trade things with oil. We have set up values on certain things. And there are some international monetary things which have been established by authorities that you can trade things with these things.
Right.
And everything we trade, both sides, they have some value, monetarily value,
Right.
or assessed value. When we are, Guru Sahib is using our words, our terminology, but meaning is not ours. What he is trying to say, yes, there are things you can buy, trade with wealth, with possessions, with things which you have established to trade, but there are things which cannot be traded.
Yes.
You have to acquire. Then the beauty is, trade ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੂਜੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ.
Right.
Trade is something you do with other. In order to trade, you have to have second thing established. You have to have somebody else. When you are trading virtues, you are not trading with anyone.
They're trading with you.
Rather, you are discovering those values.
Mm-hmm.
Discovering those values. In order to discover your values, you are not paying anything, but you are changing your attitude. Your attitude is the key. As Guru Arjan Dev Ji says, he says, Man bechay Satgur ke paas, tis sevak ke karj ras. Man bechay. Until unless you give up your knowledge, what you know, you will not be able to learn what is there more. It is not the mathematics. It is not the science. It is not the geography. It is not something which can be written down on the board. When it has to be discovered within, then you have to sit with them, those who have discovered it. You have to learn from them, those who have unfolded it. You have to surround yourself with that kind of, those kind of people who have gotten it from within. And Guru Sahib, when he says that those values are not yours. Those values are not even a religion. Those values are divine. And that's what your fruit is. There is a line in Guru Granth Sahib Ji. It says, Karm paid shakha hari, dharm full, phal gyan. Karma. Whatever karma you do, whatever deeds you do, you are planting a seed of a tree. And he said, do deeds, such deeds, which plants a tree of wisdom. Wisdom. And now, in order to plant that seed of wisdom, I see when I have to do gardening in front of my house, I go to Walmart, I go to Lowe's
Depot.
or Home Depot to buy seeds.
Yeah.
And where do you find those seeds? Those seeds are with those people who have discovered it. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji talks about it in the very first body of Japji Sahib. He said, in order to discover the values within you, hidden, and do the Mool Mantra, learn the Mool Mantra. What Mool Mantra talks about? Mool Mantra says, Ek Oankar, Sat, Sat,
Naam.
that bring the truth within you.
Mhm.
Naam, bring the virtues within you. Bring those, exercise those virtues. You're believing in love, you are not exercising love. You're believing in truth, but your life is totally full of corruption. You're saying something else, you're doing something else.
Yeah.
You are saying, God, you are fearless, but your life is full of fears. You are saying, God, you are without animosity, but your life is full of enemies. How can you
Accomplish this.
accomplish this?
Mhm.
That's what Guru Sahib talks about in this body. He says, Amul Dharam, Amul Divan. God's dharam is, God's nature is universal. Your nature is a tribe, a tribal nature.
Mhm.
You're still living a tribal nature. Guru Nanak does not have tribal nature. He has universal nature. He has the nature of God. Tribal nature is you're living life in limitations. You're living life of what you have been taught by your own ancestors. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਖਾਨਦਾਨ ਇਹ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਇਹ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜ਼ਾਤ ਇਹ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਧਰਮ ਇਹ ਹੈ.
Right.
ਤੁਸੀਂ that is also tribe.
Yeah.
ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਟ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਅਮੁੱਲ ਧਰਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪ੍ਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਜਿੱਤੋਂ if you really want to be a person of divine nature, then bring Guru Prasad in your life. That's what Mool Mantra comes in again.
Right.
The Guru Prasad is the university. Guru is the entity in Sikhism that cultivates the best in your life, brings out what is hidden in you. And he says, Mul Dharam, Mul Diban. Dunya, the justice system, we witness the justice system of nations. And many times, especially in third world countries, you can buy the justice system.
Yeah.
The people do buy justices, not lawyers, the justices. They are on sale. Politicians are on sale. It says, Amul Diban, in the God's court, you cannot buy anything.
Yeah.
You have to bring those values in your life in order to save yourself. No one will be able to there to save you. You cannot say that Guru will save you. Guru will guide you, you will save yourself. Guru will guide you.
Yes.
You will save yourself.
Yes.
Guru is not a savior. Guru is a guide
Guide.
to save you. Then Guru Sahib says, Amul Tul, Amul Pravan, Kamal hai. You know, we Tul da ki matlab hunda ji? Scale.
Scale. Tula.
Tula.
Measurement. Yes.
Takdi.
Takdi.
The Guru Sahib says,
Mhm.
his measurement are totally different. He measures people differently. We measure people differently, and his measurements are totally different. Amul Tul, Amul Pravan. Pravan da matlab hunda batte. Weight.
Right. I see.
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵੱਟੇ ਵੀ ਅਲੱਗ ਨੇ.
Wow.
ਉਹਦਾ ਤੋਲਣ ਦਾ ਢੰਗ ਵੀ ਅਲੱਗ ਹੈ.
Yeah.
ਉਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਜੀਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੋਲਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇਨਸਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੋਲਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇਨਸਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਤੋਲਣ ਦਾ ਢੰਗ ਅਲੱਗ ਹੈ. ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਆਸਾ ਕੀ ਬਾਰ ਦੀ ਪੌੜੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਆਪੀ ਨੇ ਭੋਗ ਭੋਗ ਕਾ ਹੋਏ ਭਸ ਮੜ ਭੌਰ ਸਿਧਾਇਆ, ਵੱਡਾ ਹੋਆ ਦੁਨੀਦਾਰ ਗਲ ਸੰਗਲ ਘੱਤ ਚਲਾਇਆ, ਅੱਗੇ ਕਰਨੀ ਕੀਰਤ ਬਚਿਆ ਬੈ ਲੇਖਾ ਕਰ ਸਮਝਾਇਆ. ਬੈ ਲੇਖਾ ਕਰ ਸਮਝ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ in this life, after this life, your karni kirt vachiye. What did you do? How did you behave? How did you live your life? His measurements are totally different. The people will remember you differently.
Right.
Then you will be perceived by nature totally differently.
Yeah.
ਉਹਦੇ ਸਕੇਲ, ਉਹਦੇ ਤੋਲਣ ਦੇ ਢੰਗ, ਉਹਦੇ ਮਾਪ ਦਾ ਢੰਗ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ
different.
ਅਲੱਗ ਨੇ. ਅਮੁੱਲ ਤੁਲ, ਅਮੁੱਲ ਪ੍ਰਵਾਨ, ਅਮੁੱਲ ਬਖਸ਼ੀਸ਼. ਅਮੁੱਲ ਉਹਦੀ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ, his blessings, cannot be
priceless.
bought.
Priceless.
Priceless. Priceless. Amul Nishan, insignia of His grace is also, many times when we go to stores, we buy clothes, we just see the tag
Yeah.
where it is made.
Right.
If it is made, we are from we know our background. If it is written made in India, especially when you are going here, you rarely pick up.
Right.
Because if you are taking those clothes to India, they will say that you might have bought some from Chandni Chowk.
Right. Or wherever.
You want to make sure. And Guru Sahib says, as each cloth has insignia where it is made, each human, each creature has been stamped that made by God, made by God. And when everything is stamped by God, how can you discriminate? How can you behave differently then? Then Guru Sahib says, Amul Nishan, Amul Karam, Amul Furman. ਉਹਦੀ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੀ blessing ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੀ grace ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ. ਹੁਣ these shabdas repetition, many times, because when you are intellectually read them, you will feel bored. Intellectually.
Right.
Because this has nothing to do with intellect. This is not something a poet is writing poetry, making sure the balance of the word is. No. This is a completely pure love, pure affection, pure experience that he wants to say something. Whatever comes in his mouth, in God's praise, he keep on saying. As you hold a child, you don't care what you're saying. You want to communicate. You want to say, even though you're repeating the same words. You are not there, as a philosopher holding a child. You are a loving parent holding a child and keep on saying things, keep on repeating things. When you are in a state of love, repetition does not become a repetition. It becomes an expression. And these words are out of expression. He's repeating words, but out of love. To make his point clear that you cannot buy his grace, his bakshish, his kirpa. And he says, Amul Karam, Amul Furman. Furman. We see on the TV, the people would appear. He says, you can change your destiny. You do this. You read this mantra. You do this much daan. Wear red clothes and have some rice within you.
Astrologers tell you to do this and this.
I don't know what gist they are, but they do.
Yes,
they do say, and people are there to become the victims of that kind of nonsense.
Yeah.
It is there, and we watch them.
Yeah.
And especially Indian newspaper are filled with those kind of ads that Peer Sayyid Saab and Pandit Ji Maharaj, Yogi Ji Maharaj, and they will read your palm and tell you. Even they may not know about even themselves. He says, Amul Furman.
That's what the Furman is.
Yes. ਜੋ ਦਾ ਹੁਕਮ ਹੈ,
Yes.
ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਲਟਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ.
Yeah.
ਉਹਦਾ ਹੁਕਮ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੂੰ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰੇਗਾ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਫਲ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਹੀ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ.
Right.
ਉਹਦਾ ਹੁਕਮ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੂੰ ਠੱਗੀ ਕਰੇਗਾ, ਫਰੇਬ ਕਰੇਗਾ, ਧੋਖਾ ਕਰੇਗਾ, you will have to face the consequences.
Right.
No one can alter that.
Right.
You will have to alter your nature.
Yes.
As you are altering your nature, the Furman is according to.
Yeah.
And he says, otherwise, you cannot. Amul Furman, his command, his justice, his law is priceless. Then he says, Amullo Amul, Akhya na jaye. How priceless that is, it cannot be said.
Right.
Cannot be described.
It cannot be described. It cannot be measured. It's priceless.
Aakh rahe,
Live a life.
live a lie. Live a lie. And many have tried. And not only tried by intellectual way, but through meditation. level aake.
Yeah.
The many people have tried so many ways, but they cannot have, they could not describe. If God can be described, then that God is not God. God is not God. Because God is ever, God is not something which was before the world was created different, now it's different or will be different.
Yeah.
God doesn't change. God, more you say, more there is left to be said. And Guru Sahib says, कौन कौन आख रहे हैं, किने किने कोशिश की है. He says, आखें वेद पाठ पुराण. You read the Vedas.
Right. Purana.
Char Ved.
Right.
You read the Puranas. The Puranas talks about it. The Vedas talk about it. But they are talking about it, but they are not saying this is it.
This is it. Yes.
This is it. Then he says, आँखें पढ़े करें वख्यान. The scholars are saying,
Yeah.
and the व्याख्याकार, the preachers are saying,
Yeah.
हर रोज कर दे, नवा कर दे, but no one can ever be able to describe you.
Yeah.
People are expressing you, not describing you.
Right.
If they are expressing, that is acceptable. But description is not possible. महाराज बाणी जी कहते हैं किसको पूछ कहूं तू कैसा.
Right.
मैं किन्हों पूछ के कहा तो कि हो जाए. Who should I compare with you with? There is no comparison. There is nothing like you. And then he says, आँखें बरमे, आँखें इंद. Now, ध्यान च रखने वाली गल है. आँखें बरमे, not the Burme, the Brahmas. Those people who believe in Brahma, Brahma's followers are repeating and saying to you, आँखें इंद, Indra's, the god of rain in Hinduism. They say, his devotees are trying to say. Then आँखें गोपी तय गोविंद, Govind is Krishna.
Right.
Gopiyan as the admirers of Krishna, those who would dance around Krishna. And Guru Sahib says they are trying, they are saying.
They are trying to explain, express the value of the God.
That's right. Aakhain Ishar, Aakhain Siddha. The Ishar is Shiva, and the Siddha, Shiva nu pujan wale,
Right.
Siddha nu pujan wale.
Right.
They are saying, they are singing your virtues. Aakhain kete kite Buddha. Those people who are devotees of Buddhas, there are so many. They are also saying in different way.
Yeah.
Aakhain Danav, Aakhain Dev. Now when Guru Sahib is bringing these entities, examples, one thing keep in mind, that each faith and each deity followers have their own ways to sing praises.
Sing praises, yes.
Or belief in the Creator.
Right.
Right? Guru Sahib saying different fashions, different sects, different religions, different people trying to say, but you are there. You can fully, no one can ever be able to describe you.
Describe you.
Or express fully. Then, आँखें कीते कीते बुद्ध, आँखें दानव, आँखें देव, आँखें सोर नार, मन जन सेव. Danav, devils, Dev,
Devtas.
angels.
Yeah, right.
They are saying, आँखें सोर नार मन जन सेव. There are angel devotees, sevadars. They are all trying to say
the praises of the God.
praises of the God. आँखें दानव, आँखें देव, आँखें सोर नार मन जन सेव. किते आँखें आँखन पाहे. How many people are saying? How many have said it? किते कह कह उठ जाहें. Many have said it and have gone from this, have departed from this world. ਇਤੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਕਰੇ that ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ you have created so many, if you create as many you have created ਤਾਂ ਆਖ ਨਾ ਸਕਾਂ ਕਿ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਖ ਸਕਦੇ,
Yeah.
ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਪਮਾ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਜਿੰਨੇ ਤੂੰ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਦੇਵੇਂ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਅੰਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੇ। ਮੈਨੀ ਸੇ ਜੇਵੜ ਭਾਵੈ ਤੇਵੜ ਹੋਏ। ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ however God desire to be becomes, ਜਿੱਡਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਓਡਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਨਾਨਕ ਜਾਣਾ ਸਾਚਾ ਸੋਏ। ਤੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ says only God knows how big God is, how powerful God is. Only God knows.
Yeah.
Then he says, je ko akha bol vigar, if someone, presume to have described God, the Guru Sahib says, ta likhiye sir gavaran gavar, that person must be a fool. That person must be stamped as a fool who says that I have described God.
Bigard.
But
What is a Bigard?
Such a powerful statement.
What is he saying about the Bigard? Bigard is the one which disrupts the sequence of the events, or?
ਜੇ ਕੋ ਆਖਾ ਬੋਲ ਵਿਗਾੜ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੋਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ।
I see. Mm-hmm.
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਆਹੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹੀ ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਕੋ ਆਖਾ ਬੋਲ ਵਿਗਾੜ ਤਾਂ ਲਿਖੇ ਸਿਰ ਗਾਵਾਰਾਂ ਗਾਵਾਰ। ਤੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ says that person should be written a fool of fools. So
Thank you very much watching Word of Sikhism. We will be back next week. If you have some positive, negative comments, you can write us at National Sikh Center, gmail.com, or 202-270-5528. This is a very interesting chapter. If you want to continue from Pauri 1 to the one we explained, it will be good. You can visit us at YouTube, Word of Sikhism. You can have a continuity of the from the Pauri 1 to 25th, 26th. It's not easy to understand if you pick it up from the middle of it. Thank you very much watching Word of Sikhism. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
ਤੂੰ ਹੀ